Hello friends, welcome to another Lightning Web Component video series. Today we are going to see buttons, how to create buttons in Lightning Web Component. So we can go to our VS Code and then what I have created, something like this. Like click the button to activate on the click handler and view the label of click. Like when you click no action, it will come. No brand, destructive success, space. So it depends on your click. When you click, then you will handle a change. So how to do this is that, let me show you and same time try to explain. For this, in our HTML, we have you create a new Lightning web component, and then in template we have a division, and our division is in division just to we have a class, to put bottom medium, and then h2, like we have header 2 size 2, and then this one also small bottom small, and in this our header, as you can see, we have this part. Click the buttons to activate the code and the code in click. As you can see, on the code is on click handler and view the label of the click button. As you can see, when we click here, then it will change. So in this our division, we have created this. As you can see, it's a comment, like base variant makes a button look like a link. It looks like a link, as you can see. When you go on it, so what happens? This title, it will appear. So variant, what else? Yeah, so we create a button, we use lightning button tag, and then variant, and label of this, it is this one. This is the variant, what we want here to appear. Label of this is not visible here, but as you can see, base and title looks like a link. When you go on it, it will appear, look like a link. And then click handle click. So when we click it, it will, as you can see, this is the part, like click button label. So when we click, it will appear this one here down. Look at here, the label of the button that was clicked on span class, and then it will come. As you can see, this is fixed, but it is a handler change, this part. As you can see, when we click this click button label, then it will appear. So to create a lightning button, you write variant and label and title. Then on click it will when you click it, and then it will appear down click button label. So handle and class, just to arrange where it is supposed to be in the errors will be easy to see. Just let me try to make it. So on click. So if you want to add one more, you just click copy this and add. If you want to remove, for example, if I want to remove this one, just remove. Most of these codes are ready-made. You can go through internet and then try on your own. Developer Salesforce component library for lightning button. We have varieties, so you can check and then just copy this code and then make, and we have VS GC code also here. So you just copy these two parts in your Lightning Web Component and then deploy it. Now I had made some change, I save it. Then what I will do, I will deploy my changes and go here and then refresh. I think I remove, or no, I think I remove no action button. Let's see. Internet takes time, but so this background color, as you can see, the structure is red. As you can see, no action, gone. So the color depends on this classes, as you can see. This button actually variant, this one they decide the color. I would like to show you one more example. For example, this is button types. Then we can go to button types, icon, card maybe. We can go to card and then see how it looks like. We can run hello card body custom component. We can create this one. How to do this? Just go to basic, create one card. We can go to our create a Lightning Web Component, card type. You can just create card and then save it. This is, as you can see, our component is ready. HTML part is this one. You just copy or you click here, This is our HTML, erase and save it. Lightning button and label is new, slot action, and then class small card body. Like here, what card body, what you want to put in card body, like you are invited to our event. We can raise this part. And card footer, our slot. We can, and now we can go to our GC and then code. Nothing is here actually. This is a simple card. So in this, as you can see, we don't have anything. Just it will, this card will show something which is not on a click or Control S. We can deploy this one to our org. I think will take short time. What we can do, we can go to our edit page and then go to custom card. I don't find any card. Let's see again. So sometimes it takes time. We have our WC here, save it and then deploy source to org. And then here maybe button types I just so it is deployed, and then sometimes maybe we need to there is no mistake, no problem. Sometimes it takes time, you have to close and open. Maybe we can close and open our org and then see VS Code to wait for it to get ready. Template hello. Then let's wait for WLC change default org, and then deploy. I will see my org production card. You can write any name here. I think my account is this one. Here we can go to our home page to make to go to sales. And then here we can go to just duplicate the path, and then we can go to edit this page, home page. And then just deploy it again. As you can see, there is no problem. It is deployed, and then supposed to come here, alert button types. Sometimes takes time or it's strange because component heading from here. Sometimes it is, I don't see card. I just work on buttons. Anyway, we can continue with our buttons, which was our main topic, buttons, button types. So maybe we can sorry, I made a mistake because I forgot one thing here. This part is false. If it's false, it will not come definitely. So you need to just copy this from other components, copy and paste here. Sorry. And then Control S. Yeah, it sometimes happens, unfortunately. Now I can deploy it to my home page. You can copy it and deploy to other wherever you want. And then now I will go to my org and then see it refresh. Hopefully it is here. As you can see, cart. Just drag and drop. Save it. If it is saved, then again we can refresh our page. I'm supposed to see here. You see, it is a card. Hello, you are invited to our event. Card for footer and new. Let me open my VS Code and see. This is not dynamic something, you know. We can just click new button, but it doesn't do any action because it is not as binded with GC. So card HTML, what we have title hello, right? And then lightning button we have, label is new, as you can see, and slot is action. If you go, it doesn't do anything. Just creating a lightning button, label, slot, lightning button, and then P class, horizontal, small, you are invited, class, and it is on left side, and then slot, like footer. If you want to add a footer there, also you can add in a paragraph. And this is our lightning card. Lightning card, and then we add a button, we add a message, and then and footer. We add a footer also, card footer, or wherever you want to put. So this is a simple way to do from, there are ready-made Lightning Web Components here. So next video we are going to do other parts, other examples. So there are basic with narrow, wherever you want to do. As you can see, these are the types you want to try. You can do on your own. That's what you need to do. For if you want to, you see, custom, and where is, there is no code in GC. If you want to add a GCS file, as you know, you have to just click here, add new file, and the name should be exactly same with this component, cart.gcs. Like otherwise, for example, it will not. What I am going to do, I can try with this. For example, I will add one GCS file, cart.gss file, and then in GSS file, and then you can do this paragraph font size. The font size will be 25 pixel, and then maybe color you want brown. Paste it, deploy it, and then come here, refresh it. You can see paragraph has been changed. If you don't want this part, maybe you can HTML, not part, maybe can it be paragraph division, maybe you can do division. Is it will work? Let's see. Division. So I don't want this part to be red. Control S, and then deploy to change. and then let's see. Yeah, so if you want to color, give design, then you have to work with DSS. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. See you in next video.